Patience is needed. This is all in divine timing. I know, ain't that much patience in the world. I'm with you, okay? I'm with you. But at the same time, some of y'all already know that this is your person. Y'all know this. But free will is at play. It depends if this person going to make a move? Are they going to get themselves out of this situation to come towards you? And even if they do, free will is still here for you. Like, what are you going to do? So, let's just see how this plays because, ooh, this energy. Alright, Sagittarius. So stop because I'm telling y'all, my cards are heavy. Ooh, somebody is going through it. Bottom of the deck, I have the Empress reverse. See? Somebody's afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Somebody feels like they're done, see? Because this person stabbed you in the back. The way that came out, they're hoping and praying that you can forgive them, that you heal. And I feel like you guys have been healing. You've been moving forward. But see, because this person hasn't really been talking to you, they don't know that. So they're like, ugh, I want to reach out. I want to say something, but I did too much. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. But see, this person, I'm telling you, they're just not making a move. They're back and forth with the Fool. They're not taking a leap right now. But it's like they are discussing you to someone that they do trust. They're talking to someone, getting help, getting advice. Because they do want to take a leap towards you. They do want to fix this. But see, I'm telling you, they know that they hurt you, Sagittarius. Somebody's dealing with a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. They feel like you're going to shut... I'm mad. It just landed right on my chest like that. They feel like if they reach out, you're going to, like, shut down on them. You're not going to really have too much to say. They took too long. You could be dealing with a Leo, but yeah, this person just doesn't have the strength to open up and speak their truth. And it's like they're trying their best to remain positive, but I'll be honest with you, they're not. They don't know what you're going to say. That's why they're scared. That's why they're not making a move. Tell me more. It's like, y'all. This person here, they know that they have to put in the work to win you back. And whatever situation that they were in, they have to let it go. They have to. Tell me more. Queen of Pentacles tried to jump out. The way Death came out, somebody could be dealing with the Scorpio. But this person feels like, honestly, they're not going to have a new beginning with you. They're basically going through changes here. Somebody is transforming. And see, yeah, they're having a hard time. Yeah, somebody's going through their awakening. And it is rough on them, okay? That's why I said they're making some changes. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But, yeah, this person, if they were being a player in the past, they're basically changing that. They don't want to play games with you anymore. I just heard a song, but we're going to keep going. Anyway, so, yeah, they don't want to play games with you anymore. This person, every time, it's like they're having a hard time speaking the truth because every time they want to say something to you, they talk themselves out of it. See, I told you they're scared. There's fear here. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Clarify the Devil, please. What's going on? Yeah, this person is scared to talk to you. And they're sad because they know that they made a wrong decision. They hurt you. And see, they're coming out of being frustrated, and they do want to speak their truth to you. If they were stuck in a situation that was toxic, I feel like they're removing themselves out of it. Maybe some of them did take some type of loss financially, but see, yeah, they've been battling themselves. And see, they did leave you out in the cold, Sagittarius. They did ghost you. And again, they're hoping that you basically can forgive them. Because see, they're not happy. I'm telling y'all, this person is miserable right now. Who just said good? Y'all petty. Anyway, so they're using their intuition right now because look, they want to rush in. Someone's just hanging out. They want to rush in. They want to say something to you, but they just don't know how exactly to go about rushing in. Should they pick up the phone and call you? Should they text you? But did you block them? You know, did you block them on social media? You're going to get a message up there like they're trying to figure this out. Should they knock at your door? Some of y'all might cuss them out for popping up. They don't know what to do. See? But they made a decision. What's their decision? What's their decision, Spirit? Lord, they're in their head. Okay. They know, it's like their decision is they know that they want to work things out with you, but see, they do know that they were moving slow, and they're frustrated by that. They're also frustrated because they cause a lot of conflict with you. Tell me more. Yep, they broke your heart. There was a third party. They could be arguing with someone external to you guys right now. Tell me more. Yep, see, there's another 3. They're gonna remove themselves out of this third party situation, but they're afraid that things may not improve with you. I just jumped over my crystals like that. It's back and forth energy page. See what I'm saying? Y'all, this person was in a codependent, toxic situation. Whether they were dealing with like someone, like a love interest in another relationship, or they were married, or it's a family situation. It was just something that was toxic. And they have to remove themselves out of it, which they will, but in the meantime, they do want to come and give you a small offer, because they're unsure if you're going to take their offer of commitment. They don't know if you're going to take it or not. Even though they do want to be committed to you, they want to work things out, they're just like, man, I don't know if he or she wants me back. You know, I have to start over with this person. I have to come back to turn things around. But see, this person has a hard time speaking up, showing their emotions. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Tell me more. Either they don't have like a happy home situation right now, or they're feeling like they're not going to be able to have a happy home with you. They're not going to be able to have stability with you. Tell me more. So they're coming out of feeling like they lost you. They're coming out of feeling frustrated, and they're going to come back to give you that offer, and they're going to be confident about it. But see, you guys cut them off. I feel like this is your energy. You cut them off because you were tired of them playing games. And they're afraid if they come back towards you, you're going to cut them off again. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. And that's why this person is dragging their feet. Could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But this person does want things to improve between the two of you. Tell me more. Justice. Could be dealing with a Libra. Tell me about justice, please. Clarify justice. See what's going on. They want, it's like, 1, they know you want the truth. 2, they want to know how you truly feel about them, and even if there's a chance for you guys to move forward. Because I do feel like, 1, justice will serve. 2, they do want to, you know, have this new opportunity with you, and they are making plans. They want this to take place. They miss you. And this was their lesson. See what I'm saying? This person is learning their lessons. They realized that they didn't bring stability into the situation. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. And I'm also seeing that somebody could have been dealing with an Aries. But yeah, they did bring stability into the situation, because they could have been blaming you at one point, like, this isn't working out because of some such and such, you know, that you're not doing, or you did X, Y, and Z. But this is making them take a hard look at themselves. So now they made a decision. If they're in a relationship or a marriage, they're getting out of it. They're removing themselves from that situation. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. But I am also picking up that this person is afraid that you don't want to have a commitment with them. Like, they messed up. Too much damage has been done. That's how they're thinking. So let's see. Tell me more. Yeah, they're trying to clear away obstacles. I'm telling you, somebody's trying to get out of a relationship or a marriage. There's no stability in that situation. They're trying to basically remove themselves out of that situation before they come back in. Remember I told you that's why I saw a small offer? Because let's just say, for those of you that are dealing with someone that's married, right? Now, they have to get divorced, right? And they can't give you this big offer if they still legally married. It ain't happening. So, and they know you're not tolerating that. So, what they may try to do is come back to give you, like, a small offer saying, okay, look, this is what's going on. This is what happened in the past. This is what I'm trying to do. I am trying to get out of my marriage. It's not working. But we have to go to court, blah, blah, blah. He or she is trying to take this. We're trying to, you know, go through assets, trying to divide things. We got kids, whatever it is. But in the meantime, I'm done with that situation. I no longer live with him or her. I have my own place, or I'm staying with such and such, such and such. can we at least start over? Can we at least be friends? Because I do see myself being with you, but I know I need to take care of this. Some of them may try to do that. For others of you, maybe they're trying to get out of that situation first before they even say anything to you. Because if they come back and they ain't got out of nothing, oh, you're shutting it down. And they know this. So take it however it fits. Because it's a lot, y'all. But they're afraid that things are not going to improve. But see, they do want to start over and build something with you, Sagittarius. But see, they can't sleep. They're afraid. They're worried. They don't know if they're gonna be able, if you're gonna give them that opportunity, because they do want to balance things out with you. Clarify the Six of Pentacles. Yep, I was just about to say, but they're having to give to somebody else. So that's what I was saying. Whether it's a love interest, family, they have to give to somebody else, and that's why they're feeling stuck in this situation. That's why they haven't, 100% freed themselves out of this situation just yet. Tell me more. But the truth is coming out. The truth is coming out. They're coming back to tell you something, but see, they're worried. They don't know how you're going to take this. Tell me more. Clarify the Three of Cups. Let me see. Okay. They're worried because they do want to ask you out. They do want to reach out to you. They want to see if you're available. They could take you to, breakfast, lunch, dinner, coffee, whatever. But the thing is, because there's a third party here, that's why they're freaking out. Like, man, he or she, they're not even going to give me the time of day. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. I'm sorry, y'all. I completely missed this. I don't think I said it. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. But I feel like this person knows you're a very strong man, you're a very strong woman, and you're moving on. And they know this. It's like you're healing, you're worrying about yourself, you're moving forward. But this situation that they put themselves in, you're the only person that showed them so much compassion. You're a good listener, and they missed that because they sat there and went towards someone else who was like the complete opposite, and they miss talking to you. They do. See, I'm telling you, there's communication coming in because this person knows the truth. They know that you're the one for them. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. This person doesn't want you to cut them off, but the truth is, they want to give you the offer that you deserve. They do. Tell me more. Offer. I'm telling y'all, Sagittarius, they're coming back. They get to give you an offer, but see, they're having a hard time. Why? Why are they having a hard time giving Sagittarius this offer? They just don't have any hope that you're going to take them back. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius here. Tell me more. What's going on? Back and forth with the Wheel of Fortune, see? Y'all, this person needs to make... It's like they're trying to wrap something up. Like, they're still going through their lessons. It's like, even though they know they want to move forward with you, because you're the one that they want to be with, it's like, I'm not going to say they can't move forward, but they're just not moving forward right now. Tell me more. Because they cause an imbalance between the two of you. Some of you guys are dealing with the Gemini here. But there's a Tower moment. Clarify the Tower. Yep. Spirit is... Let me tell y'all something. The universe is stepping in. Because remember, the way the Wheel of Fortune came out, that's that back and forth energy with this individual. And they're in their head like, man, I can't go back to Sagittarius or a cross watcher. They can't go back to you because they caused an imbalance between the two of you. But see, the universe is getting ready to step in. And there's going to be some type of shakeup that's going to force them to walk away from this person that they were dealing with. Or force them to walk away from whatever situation it is. Yeah, because see, this person was moving slow. Now they're getting ready to pick up the pace. Yep. Sagittarius, you could be dealing with another Sagittarius. But it's like, even though they know that they didn't balance things out with you, it's like they do want to be with you. They know. It's just like, how do I approach him or her, at this point? See? Because they know you're not positive about them. There was definitely some type of interference, guys. Somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius, but this could have been like a family member interfering, like a mom, or this could be their love interest. They were definitely standing in the way. But see, they know that they have to remove themselves from some type of family dynamic, or they have to get out of some type of family situation. But they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a family with you. They're not going to be able to have wish fulfillment with you. But This person made a decision. What's their decision, please? They no longer want to look back at what happened in the past, and they do want to give you an offer. So they made a decision about that, okay? But see, it's like they're trying their best not to look at the past to give you this offer, but they can't help it because they were being sneaky. This person was really being sneaky, you know, towards you. That's why they're afraid you're not going to give them this new beginning. Yep, they're afraid they're not going to have a victory with you, Sagittarius. They're afraid, again, they're not going to have a new beginning with you because, yeah, they messed up bad. They didn't bring any balance in this situation before. You were doing everything. I feel, Lord, y'all. So, it's like, this person, I mean, they kept messing up. And it's just like, you guys, it's like every time this person would come back into your life, you guys would start talking, things would get better. You would be thinking like, okay, you know, we're good. And it's like you're opening yourself up to them just for them to basically ghost you, you know? And I feel like they did it more than once. Honestly, for some of y'all, more than twice. For others of y'all, it might be more than 3 times. But you see what I'm saying? It's like you're tired of having to give them another chance just for them to keep leaving you hanging. And they know it. That's why they're scared you're done. Because they did it too many times. That's why they're not content with anything. Like, see? That's why they're afraid you're not going to take the Ace of Cups. You're done. Because they kept doing it.